We discussed about the cone and all cylinders. Today class we will deal with the sphere. You might have heard about the football and volleyball and the round plate of the fan in the middle one, the solid sphere shape. A solid round shaped figure is called a sphere. Okay. When you bring your lunch box in the tiffin boxes, round shaped tiffin boxes, and ball and volleyball and football, okay, this all takes the sphere shapes. A sphere means a rounded circle shape. A rounded or circle shaped solid figure is called a sphere. Okay, a round shaped solid figure. A round shaped solid figure is called a sphere. So we know those figures. You might have seen globe in the social studies classes. You already experienced with the globe shape is sphere, and volleyball. This is a sphere. What is this? Sphere. Okay, sphere. This is sphere. And this is a globe. You know, you might have seen the globe. The globe, you know this, and volleyball or football, the hexagonal shapes like this. Like this is all spheres. Is all example for spheres. Okay. So circle, you know that a circle is a plane closed figure whose every point lies on a constant distance. Whatever points lie on the circle, these all the constant distance from the center. Constant distance from the center. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, with all equal distance from all points of the circle. All points of the circle. OP, OQ, OR, OS, OT, OU, OV, OW, OX, OR, like this. This is all equal distance from. Sorry, this is called circle. You know that. So every point lies on the constant distance from a fixed point is called a radius. This is called what? Radius. The distance from the center of the circle to any point in the circle is called radius. So radius is always half of the diameter. The diameter means the line segment, the chord that passes through center of the circle is called a diameter. So diameter is always double the radius. So these all solids are circular in shape. These all solids are circular in shape, and these are called spheres. What do you call? Spheres. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. It is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of all points in the space. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Define sphere. Describe the sphere means you have to write this. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure or a round-shaped figure which is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of all points in the space which is a constant distance from a fixed point that is center. The fixed point is called the center of the sphere. The distance from center of the sphere to any point on the sphere is called a radius. It's called the radius. You know that. The radius is generally represented by R. Okay. Now let us see surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of sphere. Surface area means this is plane. This surface area of the sphere. Let us see. So we know that the surface area of the sphere formula, surface area of the sphere, surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. It is an arc sphere. When you make it of the sphere, when you make it of to the center, this is arc sphere. This is what? Arc sphere. This is arc. This is also another arc. When you join the two arcs, you will get a complete sphere. Complete sphere. When you join both arc spheres, you will get the full complete sphere. Complete sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. So surface area of hemisphere. Hemi means hemi or semi. Hemi or semi. Same meaning. Hemisphere means half sphere. Hemisphere means what? Half sphere. Half sphere or hemisphere. The surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is equal to, in this arc, 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Surface area of complete sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So for hemisphere, total surface area is there. Total surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere. For complete sphere, no circle. For complete sphere, no total. Surface area of sphere means it is nothing but total. Surface area of complete sphere is 4 pi r square. Total also same thing. Okay. For complete sphere there is no total. Surface area itself total. For complete sphere, for full sphere, surface area itself total surface. In case of hemisphere, not like that. The surface area of hemisphere is half of it, 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay. 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. I tell you how we will get this. I hope clearly understood, children. So, now we are finding the total surface area of surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. You know that. And total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere. So this is sphere. This is hemisphere. Center is radius. So this is curved surface. Total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area CSA. This is CSA. The base also circle shape only. Area of base. Area of its base. Curved surface area of hemisphere. We know that. Total surface area of hemisphere is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. Area of its base. What is base? Circle shape only. The base area means pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square, like this. Okay. So like this, you can derive the formula for total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of hemisphere, how you get? This is a hemisphere. In these two parts are there. This is covered surface plus area of its base. Covered surface area of hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. Surface area of complete sphere is 4 pi r, half of it, 2 pi r square. The covered surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus area of its base is pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. Therefore, the complete surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, where r is the radius. So now let us see the volume formula. Now, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere equal to formula 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r. Volume of complete sphere is 4/3 pi r. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to this of 2/3 pi r. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So this is the concept of the sphere, children. I hope you clearly understood. So I will give some problems in this. Okay, I will explain some problems on this concept so that you can understand better. Okay. Now let me explain some problems now. Yes, here do some problems. If the surface area of sphere is 154 square centimeters, find its radius. Find its radius. If the surface area of a sphere is 154 square centimeters, find its radius. Find its radius. Children, what given here? Surface area of sphere given. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 154 centimeters square. Surface area of sphere formula is what? 4 pi r square is equal to 154. 4 into pi value 22/7 into r square is equal to 154. R square find out. 154. All denominators becomes numerators. Numerator becomes denominator. 7 by 4 into 22. 11 to 11 1 11 4. 270. So r square is equal to 770 49 by 4. R is equal to square root of 49 by 4. R is equal to square root of 49 7. Square root of 4 is 7 by 2. So 3.5 centimeters. 7 by 2 means. So from the surface area we calculate the radius. This is the method of doing the problem. Okay. I hope you clearly understood. Okay. So I go for the next problem. A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeters, and what would be the volume of water it would contain? A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeters. What would be the volume of water it would contain? One more problem. Second, a hemispherical bowl has radius of 3.5 centimeters. What would be the volume of water it would contain? So volume of water, the bowl contain means nothing but volume. Volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere bowl. We know that hemisphere how, just now I showed hemisphere. So this is a hemispherical bowl. This is a hemispherical bowl. In this, the water is there, has a radius 3.5. This radius given. This is how much? 3.5 centimeters. In this, contain volume of water. How much water? So water means this is nothing but volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Find out. The volume of water bowl. The radius is equal to how much given? R is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So what would be the volume of water it would contain? The volume of water, the bowl contains is equal to volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere formula is 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi value 22/7 r cube. R is how much? 3.5. 3.5 cube means 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 7 5 is 35, 0.5. You multiply and divided by 3, you will get approximate answer 89.8 cubic centimeters. This is the volume. I hope you clearly understood, children. You try exercise 10.4. We will discuss in the next class exercise 10.4. Okay, total concept I explained. I hope you clearly understood. So we will do the next section exercise 10.4. Thank you.